This is actually coming from our YouTube comment section, and this is coming from Tony Man 12090. It says you need to react to Tech N9ne's Speedom featuring Eminem. And just like I said, if you put a request in the chat or the comment section, we're gonna get to it ASAP. So without wasting time, let's do that.
I get to bustin' like I'm a 30-06 when I'm ripping the beat up, but then I heard he got pissed when I got at the top and they made him pretty hot. Cause he knowin' the Tech N9ne's a dirty chop. He's handled, Holmes here's a handful. How in the hell he hover and having hella go ham though? I said to 7 Richie Havens to be the man, so we put it together thinking Eminem was a gamble. Guess not, cause he be the guest spot. Kaliko said what we doing, I say to him let's chop. So now the people finally get 3 of the best locks. Never be another choppers coming, so let's rock, nigga. You're on. People got to wondering if it's a for sure song. Yes, I got another killer making the tour strong. If you're thinking about it, you're gone.
Nobody can catch a meet the speedy Gonzalez, the beat is the problem. And if you got a feed in your mouth, you gon' have to beat it about of them. It's a lot of them, and I mean a lot of them. And me and Nina used to follow them. I got a audibly body him. This is Hitman, the Hitman, the Hitman, karate him. And if hands will lift hands, we'll be dancing out of them. And the cans is advanced, so we'll stand the proud of them. Who stands with 2 hands and move in the crowd of them? If I ain't making sense, if you then a sample, the amp, that like a bass. It ain't never been a gift, I'm in a heat him, I beat him, I burn him. They never heard of us, I'm looking, I'm turning up. I slap the shirt up, a super simple to make them an impotent infant when I be flipping niggas, be feminine. And so the purpose to pivot, pin and reversing additions, I'm living in, and do bigger numbers than Eminem. Gotta be faster or smash on a nigga with half the cash. I'm a little sicker, quicker than you figure. I make a shiver bigger than the winner. If you half-ass delivering, I'ma eat your dinner. Better than mine, no, I mean other guys. I jump around, so do that mean I'm rubberized? Me and I mask, meaning me murderized. We beat 'em to the big gun, feed 'em. Speed up. If you wanna go with us, speed up. I'ma leave 'em in the dust. Speed up. I'ma speed 'em on the bus. Speed up. And you're gonna hit the clutch. Speed up. If you wanna go with us, speed up. I'ma leave 'em in the dust. Speed up. I'ma speed 'em on the bus. Speed.
Now, I had some stuff I wanted to say, right? But just because this specifically only this song, usually I'm gonna keep pausing. You know what I'm saying? Check the pause counter. You already know I'm gonna keep pausing. But this is such a different type of song that I've not heard before. So I'm actually going to listen to it because I've never heard like this. It's not like just rap. This is a different type of genre or a niche of rap. You know what I'm saying? So like instead of me snapping to a quick decision about whatever this might be or whatever, I'm gonna listen a little more. Especially because the bars was there. Krizz Kaliko and whoever that do Fat Blood in the front. Fat Cuss, whatever. You know what I'm saying? They was spitting, they was doing their shit.
And I'm gonna hit the clutch. Sometimes I feel like I'm never slowed down. Sometimes I feel like I'll never slow down. Wait!
Before I wreck this beat, let me just check to see if Stephanie Mills left any extra refills or ecstasy pills next to me in the seat still, or she eat them all with a breakfast drink.
You expect to sing?
I'm in the habit of grabbing a mic and babbling when I dab on the mics, but I might just swallow my fucking writings half of it after the night. I'm grabbing it right from the medicine cabinet, cause that's what it's like, and attacking it like a dragon, a bite, jetpack in the backpack when I write. Just sing a pin up inside, I win up inside, a Bennigan's diner with a cigarette lighter. Figured I try to set a big in the fire that'll trigger the sprinkler system and not escape. But the getaway driver screwed up my limo collider with the Senate divider. I went through the window and ended up being pinned at the side of a semi-offended beside a friend of the guy's white friend of the flight attendant from Idaho that took an attendant in the vagina. When I pick up a pin, I'm venomous and I'm the slickest dentist. The menace like an evil dental hygienist. The sinister, you've been yelling to menace. I ain't finished this, I'm the genesis. Eminem is a nemesis to a feminist. Fucking smart, I look degenerate. I got Ellen DeGeneres trying to tell me these men are just full of jealousy.
Not gonna hold you. I haven't seen any rapper rap degenerate, generous, those words, whatever the fuck, those words. Generous, degenerate, general, generous, things like that, without putting Ellen DeGeneres in the verse. I don't know what it is. Like, they ain't got no more. I ain't gonna. Maybe it is a difficult word. I ain't have. I can only think of like 3 or 4. How many M have?
Venomous and I'm the slickest dentist. The menace like an evil dental hygienist. The sinister, you've been yelling to menace. I ain't finished this, I'm the genesis. Eminem is a nemesis to a feminist. Fucking smart, I look degenerate. I got Ellen DeGeneres trying to tell me these men are just full of jealousy. Envious, the female independence. Hell with a clitoris, hit or miss. You will never consider this a bit of disappointment. I'll never fail to deliver this. Whatever the weather in this will be just like a certificate of authenticity that I'm thinking about. Just trying to think of the quickest and sickest way to make them pick it up. Pick a day to be pricked, then I'm picking the wickedest shit to say. Spit it back at a level incredible.
See? And this is what I keep trying to tell you guys, right? No shade. I guess I gotta start saying shit like that before I make my rants. No shade against Tech N9ne. What's his name? Krizz Kaliko. And it's still fuck Jid verse. I ain't gonna hold you still. But I'm saying though, like, nobody's doing this type of wordplay. People. If you want to be real with me, if I'm gonna be real with you, Tech N9ne raps like a better Migos. It's the same pattern. It's it's not. It makes it sound like it's faster, but it's just the cadence, not the actual words. Eminem is using the words in those cadence spots in those pockets. That's what changes the whole thing. And not only is he using words, like some rappers just be using words. Shit. And some rappers are saying words, not only saying words, but actually spitting similes, bars, and schemes. So you feel me? So without wasting time, let's go get to it one more time.
About just trying to think of the quickest and sickest way to make them pick it up. Pick a day to be pricked, and I'm picking it, wicked, and shit's a sight. Spit it back at a level incredible, helpful, rebel, unforgettable. Better believe these beats are edible, like a center, loosely vegetable. And I stalk my prey. You think you got away? Not today. Murder you on a song, and then I just say I was with Dr. Dre and Robert Blake, eating lobster steak and coffee cake at a restaurant with Drake and Tech. Just gotta make sure that our stories corroborate. I'm a lot to take, like Kanye walking up on the stage for Beyonce, like it's my job to say that you're not a real artist, but it's my obligation. Honest Davis on his way, you are not getting ammunition. Replenish the punisher with his gun and your 100 words and a clip on it, which motherfuckers better run up. You're not looking to get run over by the road running. No wonder no one don't wanna go and jump in front of a fucking runaway locomotive or get thrown up on him. You're just trying to fuck with them. Speed up, if you wanna go with us, speed up. I'ma leave him in the dust. Speed up, I'ma speed him on the bus. Speed up, and I'm gonna hit the clutch. Speed up, if you wanna go with us, speed up. I'ma leave him in the dust. Speed up, I'ma speed him on the bus. Speed up, and I'm gonna hit the clutch. Sometimes I feel like I'll never slow down. Sometimes I feel like I'll never slow down.
I'm the fury, the final fight. I flip it on fraudulent fellas.
Okay, thank you. Because I was like, yo, I know Tech N9ne not fitting to just let Eminem just do that on his track. I mean, people do. People do let Eminem walk them on their own track. I didn't think Tech N9ne. Why am I stuttering today? I didn't think Tech N9ne would be one of those individuals who would foolishly waste an opportunity to do their thing. And Tech N9ne is one of the artists I actually would wholeheartedly believe that he would get on here and do his Tech N9ne shit. Not get on here and be Tech N9ne Eminem. Tech N9ne. Like, you know what I mean? Whatever you want to call it. 9 and M? Eminem? 9 and M?
Fulfilling fright, I flick it on fire.
Come on.
I'm the fury, the final fight. I flip it on fraudulent fellas. Fulfilling fright, I flick it on fire. Finishing when the flow in flight. Feminine fakers fall, I'm flogging a foe to fight. Never forget it. I severed the head of a critic. I sped up and did it. You're tripping to be a dead epidemic. I wet up a clinic and make a bloody red up percentage of an addict was having to get the lead up a cynic. It was never the devil. I put up a fight up in the industry. Pedal to metal, we're giving the light a lot of energy. We reppin' be checking he that be Cobra. If he's an evil enemy, it'll be over. Running you down in front of your town. You ever making fun of the clown? I'm gunning you down. We doing it under the ground. A wonderful sound. If anybody come at the hound, I wanna be found. Bitch, we'll never be chopping without Slick Rick. I got it from the record, lick the balls in this dick. If you never listen to me, a musical misfit. No, cause every time I be dropping, I get bit. I'm hearing a lot of rappers, they trying to spit quick. But the Midwest got them and we kill them in this bitch. If you ain't in my circle of choppers, you missed it. Cause me and my nigga Twista ruler and it's it. Speed up, if you wanna go with us, speed up. I'ma leave him in the dust. Speed up, I'ma speed him on the bus. Speed up.
So is that like a little diss right there? Me and Twista the best to ever do this shit. Eminem just standing there like, nigga, I just gave you a hot 30. Like, that's crazy though. Did he really say that? Me and Twista the best to do this shit. I wonder if Eminem heard that shit like the fuck. What year was this? Bet you that'd be the last collab we ever did. I swear to God. Come on, bro. That'd be the last shit I'd ever do. The fuck? What year was that? Motherfucker said, me and Twista. Nigga, I ain't that a bitch? Like nothing against Twista too. Twista, he's in the Guinness Book of World Records, all this shit. Chill. We're not, you know what I mean, nothing on Twista. We're not too much on Twist. But not Lil Twist, the original Twista. You feel me? Do you wanna ride in the seat of a... Yeah, that, remember that? Yeah, that Twista. Y'all probably think of Overnight Celebrity. Oh, this 2015? Oh, okay. Thank you for the, yeah, because I was like, yo, this ain't even that. I ain't gonna hold you. But that Tech N9ne verse, that was ass. Sorry, I'm just gonna get to that right there. The Fat Cuz, what's his name? Krizz Kaliko. He actually was going crazy. And then Eminem, of course, he went crazy. He walked it like he always do. Like, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm still fucked up by that whole shit where he's like, yeah, the best niggas to do it, Twista and Eminem. Oh, he said me and Twista. I'm like, yo, Even if I was fat Krizz Kaliko, even if I was Krizz Kaliko, I'd be hot. Like, nigga, the fuck you mean the best to ever do it? Like, it's like niggas being like, yeah, me and Jay-Z the best to ever do this shit. You're like nigga, Jay-Z don't even know you. Like, I'm hella mad. Like, anyway, I'm just trolling. I'm just going on a tangent like I always do.